In this video I'm gonna show you how to make an underground tech house drop like artists as Cloonee and Sosa UK did in this track. Including these elements. Let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with the vocals. So pick one from the underground tech house pack. It's linked down below if you want to check it out.
They say I have way too much.
Let's use this vocal.
They say I have way too much money.
Pitch it down to semitones.
They say I have way too much money in my bank account.
To it. And spice it up with some reverb and delay.
Too much money in my bank account.
And we're gonna chop it up to use in the drop. So let's cut out the bank part. Right here. And the account as well. I'll make a small fill right here, just playing around with the vocal. And drop in the... Then we're gonna mix it. We're gonna mess up the vocal chop. So that's it for the glitchy vocals. Now we're gonna dive into kick and bass. First pick a kick from that pack. Let's use this one. Really stompy kick. Drop it into Serum. Pick a preset from the underground tech house pack. Let's use this one, because in this style I want to use a really punchy bass. Then just switch between octaves. Starting like this. So this will be the main riff. Duplicate it and make a small variation. Like this, which sounds a bit random right now, but we're gonna mix it. First on distortion. Then get rid of the high end. Really giving that underground bass kind of feel. And the sidechain of course to finish it off. Sounding like this. Now we're gonna dive into groovy drums. So start off with a head and clap, making the basic drums. Then drop in a closed head and place it right here. So then to spice it up, I added some glitchy sounds to it from the pack. Just some random shots to make it a bit more interesting, sounding like this. Then I also dropped in this right sound at a really low volume right here, and I finished up the groove with this shaker loop. So altogether the drums sound like this. So now we're gonna spice it up with a simple lead melody. I got this in its Serum. Again, pick a preset from the pack. Sounding like this. Then just create a MIDI. Again with the octave switches. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna mix it. Besides that, we're gonna make it a bit more interesting by tweaking the mod wheel. Just to create some more movements. So I came up with this automation. And that's it for the Cloonee style drop. So I think it turned out really dope. Let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.